Hop. Du coup, on va essayer d'avancer l'émission. Un peu ça va, la dernière mission, ouais, c'est pas mal. C'est plus mouvementé que ce que celle-là a été. Une coquette. Première fois qu'on la voit dans cet épisode. Depuis le début, on en a pas vu. On va aller voir le J. End of chapter.
Hey, here comes the big man.
Gentlemen?
What's happening, Johnny?
Hey, what's your plan?
We spoke to that fat fuck, Brian. He wants to sit down, call a truce.
Brian wants a truce?
Yeah,
Fuck that. Let's go get him.
That's what I thought you'd
all
say.
right, let's do it.
Il s'est mangé une voiture.
Maybe you should do the talking, man. I don't know if I can trust myself.
Hey man, last thing I wanted to talk to that sniveling little shitbag. Here comes Tweedledum and Tweedle fucking Dumber.
Fuck you.
Billy was always good to you and you ratted him out.
Billy's a one-way SOB and he don't give a shit about the
No,
brothers. Yeah, you think Billy'd stick his neck out for you? You're dumber than I thought.
I knew you'd say that. Just knew you'd say that. You're so predictable,
Wow.
Johnny Little Dickowitz.
What a baby.
And your babysitter Billy's on the inside now, so it's bedtime for you, motherfucker.
Not your call,
Get the
boy.
fuck out of town.
Not your call, boy. You're the one taking a nap. Put these assholes in the ground, brothers.
Wesh. C'est quoi ce retournement de situation de fou?
You're fucking dead, man!
Hey, man, can you help me out a minute? Fuck this off. Shit. Fuck off. Miss Solo. I'm taking the shot. Come on. Billy wasn't inside. I know. Let's take these assholes out, Johnny boy. Damn it. Brian's brought in
Where are you running to, Brian? Fuck off, John! My back's against the wall!
You pieces of shit! What? Brian was a double-crossing little shit! What the
Interesting, because I thought he was actually an ass-kissing double-crossing little shit!
J'ai même pas vu qu'il y a des bidons explosifs.
You're dead, Brian! Serious? Johnny, there's another manhole!
Come on, you fucking faces!
I had no idea Brian was this popular. Who the fuck is wrong?
Wow, wow, j'ai pris trop cher. Wesh, wesh, wesh.
You're dead, fuckball! Come at me! Come fucking at me!
Didn't cover twice, shoot myself! Help me! More assholes? Look out!
I'm coming down on you, asshole! You're fucking dead!
Nothing in this
Part-time fucks!
Get in cover before I shoot myself! Coming over the wall, man! We don't forget, we do not forget! Use your fucking teeth, John!
You're gonna have to kill me!
You trying to get killed? Take cover!
On a pris cher quand même, hein.
You don't see deadbeats fucking each other like this, do you? Johnny boy, get your bike! These fools are trying to get away! Let's just go!
C'est là où en fait tu vois que la faction s'est divisée. Je pense qu'en fait il s'attendait lui à prendre le relais, mais ça s'est pas passé comme prévu. Ah, tu es solide toi.
Fucking do this! Too bad, fucko! Where are you? So long, you backstabbing Judas prick!
Looks like we're about all that's left of the Alderney chapter, man.
We don't need numbers, man. We need brothers. And that's what we got left. You, me, Angus, Terry, Clay, brothers.
You're right about that.
Shit. I wish we pinned down Brian. That little weasel.
He'll turn up soon enough.
Yeah, maybe. See you soon, brother.
Ils sont tous morts les autres. Bon. C'est pas grave, on va faire une petite sauvegarde quand même. Je pense qu'on a récupéré un gilet pare-balles, je sais pas où, mais on l'a récupéré. Bon. On va aller voir Jim. Par contre, c'est que nos balles, elles ont volé, hein.
Gentlemen? Johnny, you remember Ray, right?
Yeah, how you doing?
How am I doing? I got the feds all over me, I got a boss who's a paranoid wreck, and I got a guy above me in the food chain with a brain like an overcooked artichoke. Things are great.
Yeah? Sounds like shit to me, but whatever. So, why you here?
I heard you boys is having a little internal dispute.
Yeah, where'd you hear that from?
From Ashley.
You friends with Ashley?
Everybody's friends with Ashley, tough guy. You know, she's a good kid and all. A little messed up, but, you know, she needed a friend.
Ray told us where Brian is.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, where? And how the hell does he know?
All right. Don't go breaking my balls, all right? I talked to Brian a half an hour ago. And listen, I understand where you guys are coming from. And on one hand, I don't give a shit. A bunch of grease monkeys want to have an all-out gangbang being my guest. You're all adults. Sorta. But right now, I need calm. Billy's on the inside. I need a steady flow of merchandise. So it's in my interest to see that you boys calm things down. End this little squabble and get back to work. See you later.
Yeah, see you later,
Yeah,
Ray.
bye, buddy.
So what do you think, Johnny?
I think that guy makes my skin crawl. But now that you mention it, so does Brian. And right now, he's our problem.
God damn it. Brian was my brother.
Yeah, he was, but so were a lot of people. I don't feel like that shit means too much anymore.
So?
So I'm gonna go pay Brian a visit and see just what that fat fucker's problem is. See you all later.
Faut encore savoir où est-ce qu'il se cache. Ah bah apparemment il a l'air de savoir. C'est assez rapide comme réponse. Je sais pas si c'est très très loin, mais...
I mean, I wouldn't want to be in prison or anything, but I'd take it. Fucking Johnny the Rat.
Down, but I think we can have some fun while we're at it.
On va les appeler comme ça on aura une couverture si jamais ça prend en couille.
Johnny! Clay! I'm at Brian's place. You guys want to come here and help me with him?
Right on, brother. Me and Terry can go around the back and wait for him. If you send a grenade in the window, that should smoke him right out to us.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna wait for our brother around back with Clay. Send him out to us, will ya?
The Lost MC riding together. Knock 'em dead, brothers.
Envoie une grenade par une des fenêtres. Plus occupants. Le problème c'est qu'on a que des grenades à impact, alors ça me fout un peu dans la merde.
Billy's not here to protect you, Brian.
Il sort d'où lui?
Brian!
Nulle part quoi. On va prendre la K un peu, ça change.
So there's something there. Oh, I love all them lady boys, them a beat each other down.
Can you imagine playing the flute and strumming the banjo at the same time? Slightly aroused, but still frigid. I'm Jenny Acorn. Weasley.
Voilà, nickel. Je sais bien, ils sont quasiment à fond. Moi, on est pas mal. Bon, allez, on va aller faire la baston qui est juste à côté là.
Jonathan, where's Brian?
Halfway to hell, my brother. We don't need to worry about that little fucker pulling nothing.
Good to know. I'll stop looking over my shoulder. Well, until Billy gets out of prison at least. Stay in touch.
Ok, bon, moi déjà. C'est sûr que là-dessus je suis d'accord avec le gym, il nous fera plus chier. Ouais, finalement c'est pas mal de pouvoir les appeler en renfort parce que tu vois là du coup ça crée un scénario qui de base n'aurait peut-être pas été celui-ci. Peut-être qu'on n'aurait pas pu l'attraper directement, qu'on aurait eu une course poursuite parce qu'on n'aurait pas pu le rattraper machin. Et là finalement ça nous a mis bien. En fait on a la possibilité de modifier les scénarios juste en un appel.
Okay, assholes. Good to fucking see you.
Allez.
Find the deadbeats, my friend. They're escorting the vehicle across all. Boys, let's roll.
En fait les armes DLC c'est bien, le seul problème c'est... Ah mais attends, on peut pas appeler un biker pour acheter des armes? Pas moins cher en plus. On va vérifier ça après. De toute façon on a regagné de l'argent, on a largement remboursé nos dépenses. On était passé de 23 000 je crois à 19 000, on est remonté à 30 000. Donc là on va pas trop se tracasser.
Racist pricks! Get the vehicles, boys!
S'ils veulent le marber, on les laisse s'occuper d'eux.
I'll slow it down for you, okay? Assholes! Piss off! Don't act tough now.
Wesh, ils avaient des cocktails molotov carrément. Attends, est-ce qu'ils vont nous refaire la même?
Oh man!
Lots of goth chicks in this town.
Bon bah attention, ça va péter hein.
Get out of here!
Well, except for models.
Ok, allez, ça fait ça de fait. En vrai, on peut aller faire une petite course. Oh, il y a plein de bifetons. Ah, attendez. Ah, c'est important ça. Hein. Là. Toujours mieux d'avoir les poches remplies. Faut taper la porte en moyenne avec les gars pour l'incendie, c'est tu peux dormir. On trouvera, c'est mieux que ton lieu au QG. Ça c'est gentil ça. On a une nouvelle planque.
Ashley, what is it this time?
Hey, Johnny boy, it's nothing. I mean, it's nothing, but it ain't like you think. I need you to meet a friend of mine, Ray Bocino.
That Guinea? Jesus, what are you doing with him?
We're not doing nothing, Johnny. Nothing we ain't supposed to. I need you to meet him is all. We're over at Drusilla's in Little Italy. Can't wait to see you, baby.
Ah bon, on ira voir Ray après. Je vais faire une petite course, ça fait un petit moment qu'on n'a pas fait. Ah, c'est vrai que j'avais oublié ça. Deux pour le prix là. Putain, je peux rien faire. Voilà, je vais me renverser, je vais m'éclater la gueule. Wouah. J'ai rien pu faire, genre je suis resté bloqué dans les airs. Genre. Ça m'énerve quand ça fait ce truc de merde. Non, tu peux basculer en avant, machin, etc. Bah, rien du tout. En fait, ça m'a propulsé vers l'arrière et à partir de là, j'étais bloqué. Enfin, en plus, c'est vraiment une course de merde, genre, faut avoir un quad. J'espère que ça va pas me refaire la même par contre. Hein. Oui, c'est bien éclaté. À mon avis, par contre, je vais pas faire mieux. C'était chaud. Hein.
That's why it's al dente. All the mamma mia you can eat.
You may value your privacy, but John Hunter doesn't. He wants to install a camera in your bedroom, so every time you jerk off, you have to pay $5. John Hunter voted to lower the marriage age down to 13. He wants to put your family at risk by outlawing 60 caliber full auto assault rifles and domestically owned landmines. Call John Hunter. Tell him it's time to stop with the politics and the negative campaign ads.
Ouais, je sais que je te rends compte si on prend un minimum l'anglais, le nombre de dingueries qui sortent à la radio là, c'est. C'est vraiment dans le délire GTA, c'est juste pure bullshit, c'est n'importe quoi. C'est plus c'est gros, plus ça passe. Les derniers tours. On va essayer de sauter un peu plus à gauche quand même. Je dis ça, je crois que j'ai refait exactement la même. Pourquoi il va par là-bas? Pourquoi il se tourne? Putain. Ah, c'est insupportable. En fait, les cinématiques, en fait, tu peux plus bouger. Genre, ça te stun complètement. Ça aurait pu être pire, j'aurais pu tomber et avoir noyé la moto. J'aurais dû attendre qu'un adversaire passe, que je le fusille, que je récupère sa moto. Encore connaissant le jeu, ça m'aura juste dit votre véhicule était détruit, chèque de l'émission. Et par contre, plus on gagne de course et plus le montant il monte. Ça c'est sympathique. Ok, bon là il va falloir qu'on aille voir Ray. C'est le A de Ashley ou ça se passe comment là?
I gotta get to Denver.
Wait, don't play with the window.
Why, thank you.
J'ai besoin de toi, ramène-toi vite, ouais, c'est ça.
What's up, baby?
Nothing. Ray's a friend. He's...
Ray's a friend? What are you talking about?
Yeah, he's a friend. You know, he's a friend like you, baby. I mean, not like you, but you know, we ain't doing nothing. I mean, not at the moment, but he's a friend, and he's been real good to me, and we need you to do this for us, all right? I ain't sleeping with him, but you know, you and me broke up. You was with that Layla girl.
That's all over now, baby. You know that. Man, you gotta get off them drugs.
I know. I will. I need you to do this for me.
Let me talk to Ray first. Where is he?
In there somewhere.
Right.
Hey, Johnny!
Hey.
Am I glad to see you, huh?
Ashley says you want something.
Ashley, oh, man. Yeah, good kid, you know, man, not ice. My day was coke and donuts, that was it. I even missed the ecstasy. That shit fucks people up.
Yep.
Listen, I got a little business proposition for you.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, I know about some diamonds. Illegal, never in the system, easy to move, no insurance, couple million.
Le son est très bas là, par contre. C'est ça que je comprends pas. Des fois les dialogues sont très bas, des fois le son du dialogue sont trop forts. Là c'est vraiment très bas.
Problem. I can't be seen near them. All right, let's just call it a conflict of interest.
Well, I imagine that happens quite often with you, Ray.
Oh yeah? You don't like me too much, do you?
Does anyone like you too much?
I'll tell you what. You go do this job, you get yourself some real money, you can buy yourself some real friends.
Yeah, I should do that.
The ice is being held by a guy named Gay Tony. You're gonna need a little help on this.
Should be no problem with that.
Good. And stay in touch. Johnny! Don't get too clever.
Je crois que ça va être la mission, on doit aller récupérer des diamants. Et on l'a déjà fait avec Nico du coup ce truc là.
Jonathan, what can I do for you? Brother James, we got a hookup in Broker. Might need some help.
All right, man. I'll let the Lost Brotherhood over there know you're coming. They like getting this.
Écoute, on va faire ça. On va appeler Clay aussi.
Clay, man, you and Terry want to ride with me?
On our way, man.
Allez.
All right, brothers, we got some ice to take.
Brother Johnny, off that feet forever.
On attend que les autres derrière rejoignent. Oh, on a un sacré convoi là. Il y a du monde.
All right, boys. All I know is that these diamonds are being held by a man about town called Tony Prince. Where to take them? There should be a good profit in it for the Lost MC if this comes through. So let's fucking do it. Yeah? Who knows? Maybe down the line there'll be an opportunity to rip off the smug Guido who gave us the job in the first place. Come on! Brothers for life, lost forever!
Ça va être intéressant d'avoir le point de vue d'autre chose.
Good to have you with me, Terrence.
Hey guys, how you doing?
These are great. They're great. But, 2 million. You had your head in the oven.
Mr. Tony, I have what I tell you, perfect clarity, beautiful clarity, well cut and a shitload of carrots. What do you expect?
Tony, they're gorgeous. Just like you.
Hey, come on, can we do a handover, please, and get out of here? This is too much.
No, ignore him. He's probably been up all night with some bimbo.
Tony.
You're a chef.
Well, cook, yeah.
I had a line on some kitchen supplies. How about I throw that into the equation? What's the price?
Look, here's the money we agreed upon less 10%. Just give us the ice.
All right. Here.
Tony, can I hold them?
Thanks.
Oh, shit, Tony, we out of here. Come on, let's go. Hey, man, get to the club and don't fuck about, okay?
Terry, Clay, we'll get the ice. You boys chase down those two. Come on, motherfuckers! Somebody cover me! That's what you're looking for, shithead! Fucking take it!
Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Pourquoi il y a des voitures qui volent? Ah, tu es solide toi.
Let's fucking do this, you motherfuckers! Come on! Oh, damn fucking shit! You fucking ready for this? You know who I am? Come on, asshole!
Wouah! What? Wesh!
Watch out, it's gonna blow.
Non mais vas-y frère, on fait comment pour le suivre là? Ah frérot, c'est finito là. Hein. On est mort, ouais bah ouais. Oh, mec, tout a sauté d'un coup, ça a fait sauter tout le pont. Ah ouais, non, là c'est grave.
You get those two! I'm on the ice! Come on! Come on, you pussies!
Comme c'est que là je vais pas avoir plus de balles quoi. Ah donc c'est bien prévu que ça pète aussi fort.
You're fucking dead men! Buy your own diamonds! That ain't gonna be necessary, pal. I'm getting yours. I got you that ice. You want me to bring it back to the restaurant?
I know you don't like me, Johnny, but you don't have to get me clipped. Jesus, probably got half the wise guys on the East Coast following you right now. I need you to split the haul up. Leave half of the trash can on Hermitite Street and the other half of the trash on Emerald. Some of my boys are gonna go pick it up.
Les fameux sacs poubelles qu'on va retrouver avec Nico Bellic qui vont se faire gentiment tirer par l'équipe qui doit les récupérer. C'est vrai que finalement de ce point de vue là, limite je me demande s'il aurait pas fallu faire d'abord les épisodes et après Nico Bellic. Bon, on va utiliser notre compétence là pour appeler le bougre pour les armes parce que niveau balle ça devient compliqué. Hein.
Send the trash now. And Ray better hope a garbage truck doesn't come around anytime soon. Ray got any money for me?
There ain't no money yet. Ray's got to sell this stuff before you get your cut. He'll be in touch this week. I love you, Johnny.
Not enough, you don't.
Au quartier général. Moto, renfort. Vanne de flingue, voilà ça.
Terry, your services are required, bro. Can we meet up?
Leave it with me. I'll see you soon.
On va clairement lui racheter des armes parce que c'est la merde un peu.
Fuck me, Johnny. Good to see you. I got enough shit here to get me some serious time. Check her out. Terrence, you never cease to amaze.
Et bah voilà. Et il en a du stuff mine de rien. « 7000 le lance-grenade, 10 000 le RPG. » C'est vrai que c'est moins cher sur certains. Comment on l'a pas le fusil à pompe? Non, c'est vrai, on a le striker, nous.
Bye, my brother. Johnny, man, I hope that SOB you're after deserves it.
Il m'a mis bien quand même. Hein. Ok. Bon, aller voir Ashley. Est-ce qu'on peut choper le taxi?
Head over to Babbage Drive.
Here we are, man. End of the line.
You're here. You're here. Oh, man, Johnny.
What's the matter, sugar?
Oh, Johnny. I fucked up. I fucked up real bad.
What'd you do?
I messed up, baby. Promise you won't be mad.
Why? What'd you do?
I'm an addict. I need help.
What the fuck did you do?
How the hell?
You must be Johnny.
Who are you?
My name is not important.
What is this?
Your woman here owes Dmitry Raskolov.
Oh putain, le retour de Dimitri.
Okay.
We need you to do us a favor.
What?
We need you to kidnap someone for us.
Well, I'm not in the kidnapping business, dude.
And I'm not in the dude business, dude. You either do it or Junkie gets killed. Not difficult decision, even for a man stuck in 1960s time warp. It's easy. You grab him and deliver him to warehouse of Lompoc in Bohan Industrial.
And this'll pay off her debts?
Well, it pays off interest.
Wonderful.
The name of the man we want is Roman Balak.
Oh putain.
Yeah.
He runs a cab business, but hangs around some backroom gambling place on Dylan.
Oh, ça va me faire bizarre de faire ça. Hein.
Dude, you busy? I got something.
C'est que j'aurais dû lui prendre le couteau parce que c'est que la batte, je suis pas fan. Mais qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Oh là là. Oh le mongol. Mais quel mongol. Putain, j'ai maintenu Y pour rentrer dedans, il en a rien à foutre. C'est pas je rentre dans le taxi, non, non, c'est je prends le taxi. Alors s'il te plaît, m'en fais pas la même connerie, je t'en supplie. Merci.
Can you get me there? I'll take the long way. That's what I was looking for. Nice rice rocket you got there. Come with a fortune cookie?
As a matter of fact, it did. Told me I was gonna meet some 1950s looking motherfucker who preferred rusty oil dripping junk to high-tech precision machinery.
Rusty oil dripping American junk.
Bitch, please. Your patriotism is making you ignorant.
Putain, mais ils peuvent pas s'empêcher de se faire chier.
We need 4 wheels. I got that.
All right, man, but I'm driving the cage.
Now you sure you know how?
Watch and learn, my friend.
It's the finisher, Mr. C. Mixing live on the beat. Let's get it cracking.
C'est que dans le 4, je l'aime beaucoup cette voiture. On voit, elle a une belle gueule.
So we got a plan, Johnny boy?
Of course we got a plan. We snatch this guy, deliver him to some other guys, then we pat ourselves on the back for doing a great job.
Sounds simple as shit.
If you want Wiggett presentation before every job you do, you're running with the wrong crowd.
Who is this guy? Why you want him snatched?
I don't know. I'm doing this as a favor for a friend.
Must be a good friend.
It's complicated.
Oh, it's like that, isn't it? She like your girlfriend or something? That's cool. I'm feeling that. Things is coming together. Starting to make sense now.
She ain't my old lady, all right?
Sure she ain't. That's why you running all over town trying to snatch a fool up, huh? Please.
She's a friend and she's in trouble. I believe in looking out for people you've been close to. You and your boys might ride, but you don't know nothing about brotherhood.
Shit, I know about brothers, but I know about bitches as well. This here job smells like a bitch to me. They got bitch stink all over it, son.
Thank God I'm hanging out with another 2-bit street philosopher.
She playing you? She in trouble?
I don't know. Both, maybe. Fuck it. Shut up for a second. You know, Mal, I think you've got unresolved women issues. Were you close to your mother growing up? Did she let you down?
We ain't kidnapping nobody because of my mama, Johnny. It's your lady friend getting us to do this. Think on that, son.
Ah là là. Ça va faire bizarre de faire ça quand même. Hein. J'essaie de repérer Roman.
Okay, now all we got to do is wait for this guy to come out of there. I'm hoping he ain't too good at poker. Hell, if we're here because of his debts, he can't exactly be the buffet car.
Étant donné qu'on reconnaît son roi vu qu'on était au début, ma théorie c'est qu'il va sortir de là. Ouais, voilà.
That's got to be him. Come on.
Hello. Hey, man, how you doing? Please, gentlemen. The men in there just took my money. I can't get robbed twice in one day. What do you want, the shirt off my back? Come on!
We're not robbing you, we're taking you.
Oh, no.
Chips have been cashed, Chubby.
No! Wait!
Get in there!
Somebody!
Shut up!
Shut your fat ass up!
How do you like Boham, Mr. Bellick? Some pals are waiting for you there.
Ça me fait bizarre de faire ça parce que je me dis frère, dans l'autre personnage c'est notre cousin, on l'aide et là dans cet épisode là c'est bah les couilles.
I think he's trying to say something, Malcolm.
I can get money.
I don't know. I ain't hearing shit.
En fait c'est bien bouclé les épisodes les uns entre les autres. C'est je trouve que ça s'empile bien, en vrai, il n'y a pas trop d'erreurs. Oh shit. Pareil, genre ça, comment ça passe? Mais quel enfoiré!
Back here!
Putain. Man, the fool you just hit!
Bellic! I wanted to kidnap you. Now I might kill you.
I couldn't run any further if I wanted. Where you off to, Johnny boy? We kinda in the middle of something right here, man. Much as I like rolling with an escort, we really gotta lose these fucking oinkers.
Ça me fait rire, n'empêche, il a abandonné tellement vite. Putain, vas-y. The fuck?
For future reference, Malk, it might be worth locking your hostages into a car.
I got a leash on them now. Don't worry about it.
Les spams téléphoniques, mon dieu.
Fat, dead man! Now, tell this gentleman what my kind of people do to guys who try to buy their way out.
Just so you know who you're dealing with, Mr. Bellis, this is one screwed up, dumb, redneck motherfucker. And
Somebody looking for a fat Slav with a bladder problem?
So, this is Roman Bellic? Not such a tough guy, eh? What is all this fuss about his cousin?
Listen, buddy. Ashley's square with you now. So do me a favor. Go easy on the fat man. I've seen some of the bodies you people drop into Humboldt.
easy, Johnny. You saw the shit stains in the back seat. He's scared enough.
What happens to this shithead is none of your concern. You come with me.
Shit, Johnny. Yo, I gotta bounce. Be easy, man.
Ah là là. Ouais.
Dude, your car!
Tranquilo. Take it easy, man.
Those Russians have got their guy. You got lucky, but you got to control yourself, Ashley. The ice got you into this mess.
I know I am, Johnny. And you know what's the best thing about me? You. Call me, okay?
Est-ce que ça veut dire qu'à partir de maintenant, on peut entre guillemets faire quelque chose? Évidemment. Ouais, mais le problème c'est que pour faire une baston, il nous faut une moto.
John, Ashley sends her love. Yeah. You gotta give that girl another chance, you know? You kids are perfect for each other.
Thanks for the advice, Ray. I was thinking the same thing about you and a coffin. You got that diamond money?
You're gonna have to work for it, friend. Hope you don't mind sweating a little. Handover's happening at the Libertonian. Just make sure my man Nicky walks away with half the bread, buddy. Ciao.
C'est une dinguerie ça. En fait, c'est là où je comprends pas que genre là notre perso il est pas le. Après peut-être qu'il sait pas que c'est Nico Bellic, mais on vient tout juste de kidnapper. On vient tout juste de kidnapper son cousin et là on va faire une mission avec lui. Putain, à mon avis, s'il savait que c'est nous qui l'avons kidnappé, je pense que Nico, comment il l'aurait arraché. Je sais pas lequel des deux arracherait l'autre, mais. Lequel des deux serait le plus fou?
Stomp on my saggy balls!
Est-ce qu'on peut passer par l'arrière? Ah, peut-être pas. Bizarre, il n'y a pas de porte. Pourtant, on finit par sortir par l'arrière à un moment donné. À moins qu'il y ait une porte en bas que je l'ai pas vue. Non. Parce qu'avec Nico, je me vois sortir par là. D'avoir plombé tout le monde. C'est bizarre. Quoi? Comment ça? Le flic qui passe à côté de toi qui te dit est-ce que tu veux sentir mon bâton? Le flic un peu détraqué. Ah, c'est quoi cette mission encore là? Faut aller où encore pour rentrer? Oh. Mais j'en peux plus, c'est quoi ça? Attends, je me dis ça a pas été laissé de manière anodine ça. Donc faut grimper plus haut. Je comprends rien. Ah, attends, il y a une porte là. Non. Je vais canner là. C'est où ça? C'est quoi l'intérêt? Je comprends pas là. Comment on rentre là-dedans s'il n'y a pas de porte? C'est quoi ce concept encore là? Perdu. Ah, peut-être. Et je suis censé faire quoi moi s'il n'y a pas de porte et que je peux pas rentrer? C'est quoi? C'est Harry Potter? Je lance un sort pour passer à travers? Putain. J'ai fait le tour des 4 coins. Je suis monté sur le toit carrément. Pas d'entrée. Ah, je viens de l'avoir, me dis pas que c'est ça, je t'en supplie. Je suis passé devant 2 fois en plus. Oh, tu te fous de ma gueule. Juste parce que j'ai garé la voiture devant et que j'ai même pas fait gaffe à la porte. Oh.
Hey. Hey, I'm here on behalf of Ray Bacino.
Les kits de soins quelque part.
How's it going?
Hey, soldiers, keep an eye out.
Tac. Voilà. J'en ai bien.
Hey, all right, man. How's it going?
Hey, good to see you again.
Yeah, likewise. Let's hope this goes a little better than before, yeah? Come on, let's get inside.
Gentlemen, pardon the precautions. You know how things are. No problem.
Let's do this!
Okay, let's see the stuff, gentlemen. Maury, come over here.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Since we're having a little show and tell, let's see some money.
Of course, no problem. There it is. Beautiful, huh? Unmarked bills. No history, no need to launder.
Good. Nico, show him the stuff.
Get in there, Maury.
Isaac, look at them.
Gorgeous, huh? Like condensed money.
Isaac, these are great.
Oh! Rest of you motherfuckers wanna die? Do something stupid, okay? Fuck you!
Just get the shit, man! Come on!
Putain, c'est chiant. Bon, moi le scénario il change pas, il reste fidèle à lui-même. Bon.
Bring it here! Bring it here, motherfuckers!
You going to stop me, asshole?
Where are you?
Kill me, come on! You think you can fuck with me? Ready to die, bitch? Take this shit! Somewhere else to go!
You're fucking dead men!
Avec les grenades c'est un peu mieux quand même.
This guy's a dangerous motherfucker.
On peut sortir par là. Oh, le chien il m'a fait tester mes réflexes lui.
Ray got a contract on me, doesn't he? You're dead!
Un cadeau.
Last will and testament, fuckers! Time to fucking die!
Je sais pas si ça va suffire.
Take it! This party ain't over till I say it is!
Allez.
All you guineas are two-faced pricks.
Don't be caught off guard. Protect yourself, your belongings, and your family with an assortment of katanas, swords, or switchblades from the Serrated Edge. Catch it only on CMT.
Oh, les virages vont être compliqués.
You're not getting back to Ray, boys.
The boyfriend of nightclub impresario Tony Prince has taken his last blast of Special K. Evan Moss, the ex-teen amateur bodybuilding champ, often seen stepping out in Liberty City's most glamorous circles, has been found murdered in Broker.
Come on, you pussies!
Swingers in connection to the slave. Available for comment. Mike Whiteley, Weasel News. American Jobs may be running for the door as fast as a sorority girl doing a walk of shame with baby butter in her hair. But the 20-something American workforce is fighting back against long 8-hour workdays.
They may call us millennials, and yeah, we don't understand the idea of a hard day's work and taking instruction from so-called superiors, but we do understand if you're not happy, sue someone.
Chier, je voulais tourner, je peux pas, ça dérape trop. Faut que j'aille au seul endroit où les flics sont armés d'AK. En M4 plutôt. Ils ont pas d'AK. Oh non, je peux pas tourner.
Which was paid for by her parents. We'll track this story as it progresses. And now the hyphenated bitch with obesity news.
Thanks, Jim. I'm Lori D'Angelo Stockton. A security guard from Los Santos is suing his...
Brother Johnny.
James, where are you, man? I need to give you something.
Exeter on V. What's up?
Wait there.
Recently, I stubbed my toe and so they prescribed marijuana. I'm like 500 pounds now. It's Cluck and Bell's fault. The stuffed polio Toto Frito is awesome.
Rosenberg has given up a job as a security guard and now spends most of his day masturbating,
Quel merdier.
watching cartoons, playing video games, and hanging out at the local gas station. This is Weasel News.
This is Weasel News. Shut up, Rick.
Voilà, il paraît quand même. Voilà.
You found that perfect someone. But you know, finding that perfect someone is more than handing over a $100 bill at your passenger window, or going to awkward speed dating nights and hoping you meet some other desperate one. It's about a ticking clock. It's that message in the back of your head that says bang everything in sight. That's evolution's way of keeping the species going. But once you found that special someone, you want to know, how old is she really? She says 31, but maybe you've got doubts. Hi, I'm Ed Michaels with RCD Personal Research. RCD stands for...
À mon avis, il va lui remettre.
Let's be honest, women are liars. Get the real
Il va
answer.
lui remettre la mallette d'argent, je pense.
For a small fee, we'll send you an RCD kit, and with a strand of...
Hey, what do you got?
Got all the money the diamonds can buy.
You mean all Ray's money?
Fuck Ray, man. Fuck all of them here.
Yeah, fuck them. I guess we're rich then.
Now hold on to it, brother.
You bet your balls on it.
Ça nous met bien.
Night in Liberty City. Crawl back under your rock and smoke it.
Okay, Johnny, Nikki tells me you got away with the money. Bring it to me.
Nico said that. Dude, that's weird. Shit was kicking off. I don't know what happened to the money. I just wanted to get out with my life.
better not be pulling nothing, Johnny. Or I'll start pulling your fucking teeth, you hear me?
I like you, Ray. Still keep your sense of humor in the face of an almighty fuck-up. See you around.
Bon, à la limite, on va faire la baston d'à côté. Je veux juste, j'avoue, je dépasse en fait.